Yeah, good going. Go again.
And after doing my work, I feel lighter.
Hmm. अच्छा कोई नहीं. Uh, Listening is also very important. Whoever is facing issues
Yes, yes,
for speaking in first 2 3 days, then no problem. Try
yes,
to listen. Whoever is speaking something, so try to listen. ठीक है.
yes,
वो होता है ना,
yes,
environment का
yes,
असर पड़ता है. जैसे कि foreigners, they
yes,
don't
yes.
learn grammars
Mhm.
and anything, vocabulary, nothing. They just
हाँ,
know from their early childhood because their parents and their surroundings are speaking English. And just like the same way we know Hindi, we don't know grammar and everything. Okay, in our childhood we don't know these all
yes,
things, but we can speak because of our parents and surrounding. So just like the same way, environment affects you. So you just have to listen carefully everything I am telling in English, so listen it carefully. And another person, if anyone is
yes.
saying, just try to listen. In 1 week or 2 week you will be able to speak a little bit. Okay. Hmm.
The writer wants to say to each and every person in this world who always have overthinking, but they do not realize that they have so much time to do new things that can help to stop overthinking. So here the writer convey the message, or you can say that shows a path
Hmm.
or a way to stop overthinking by the
Hmm.
help of lots of things or activities you can do, like uh, going out for a walk, trying a new recipe, sleeping in your mother's lap, writing your thoughts down in a journal, watching a movie that always makes you smile, etc., etc. So the conclusion is that in this small world, do whatever you want. If you do whatever you want, it gives you the real pleasure of life.
Yes.
And that overthinking is mm, always also stop. Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice. Okay, next. Bishwa.
वुड कैसे मतलब अब यहाँ पे जैसे सेंटेंस उर्दू में जहां तक हम लोग बोलते हैं तो वो सिंपल सा वो मतलब एक लाइन में हम लोग बोलते चले जाते हैं, लेकिन जहाँ इंग्लिश की बात आती है तो फिर हम लोग थोड़ा सा उसमें मतलब वो बनावटी कुछ स्टार्ट कर देते हैं कि मतलब नहीं इसको थोड़ा इस तरीके से बोलना है, स्मार्टली परफॉर्म करना है, ऐसे बोलना है। तो उस वजह से ना वो माइंड वो हो जाता है, अटक जाता है, और वो बात में ना वो हिचकिचाहट आ जाती है, वो कॉन्फिडेंस खत्म हो जाता है। दिमाग में तो सेंटेंस बन जाता है, लेकिन जब बोलने का होता है तो वो अटक 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 करके ऐसा लगता है कि ये क्या हुआ है।
No, honestly, there is nothing more to improve in you. You are already okay. Means number one, confidence. Confidence is already fantastic. Number two, voice should be bold. Voice is already okay. Number three, your rhythm, fluency, your pace to speak English. So it's absolutely okay. And these are the maybe it. These all are because of your listening. That in your leisure time, in your free time, you told me that you watch those videos of Alina Rise and that of the Hati ma'am. So those all are very effective, and maybe those all helped you here because listening is very important. When you listen each and everything every day, okay, when you listen the same thing every day, it really helps you more than you speak. बोलने से ज्यादा अगर कुछ
यस
सुनते
मैम।
हो रोज रोज तो वो बहुत हेल्पफुल होता है. सो हो सकता है ऐसा.
यस मैम। मैं शॉर्ट स्टोरी भी सुनती हूँ इंग्लिश में।
हम्म. इसीलिए. Bishwajit, 1 minute has been crossed.
Yes, ma'am.
So start it. I told you that please let
I'm
me
trying.
know when you come back.
I'm trying to explain it on me. मतलब मैं खुद पर रख के इसको ट्राई करता हूँ.
Of course, you can try anyways. Please do it.
I have so much time. I have so much time to do the things that makes me come out from overthinking. Uh, like I spending time the things that makes me feel happy. Like I try a new recipe. I like to go. Uh, I like to go to gym and Sometimes I go to outside and talk with my friends.
Yes.
Watching. Sometimes I used to watch. Sorry, ma'am.
Batchit. I talk
Watching
with
a
them. I talk with my friends.
watching a watching a movie that always makes me smile.
Hmm.
I'm trying to read a new book, and finally, I also like to visit some new places
Hmm.
where there I can feel happy to whatever it is to me. So finally, its conclusion is try to do something new
Hmm.
to get out from this overthinking.
Hmm. Try to do something new to make yourself busy so that you cannot overthink. Okay. Yeah, so please start. Whatever you are getting from this paragraph, try to summarize. एक summary में उसे बताने की कोशिश करो.
Ma'am, the passage explains that people should stop overthinking and spend time doing activities that make them happy and relaxed.
Hmm.
It gives example. It gives example like exercise, walking, friend, talking to friend, reading books, listening to music, and try new things. मतलब मैम कुछ नया चीज को सोचना. मैम आगे बोले मैम नेक्स्ट. These activities help the mind feel lightly and bring positive feeling. The main message मतलब conclusion क्या है मैम इसका main message है कि is to enjoy life, have new experience and do whether whatever makes your heart feel better. Thank you so much.
I should say thank you so much. Really wonderful. So these are the summary. In this way you have to say, and you are all are going nicely. So this is reading, okay? And related to this page, I will give you homework, and please try to do that. All right, whatever I will give you, you have to do that. Now we have another thing. I'm presenting the screen. Is this visible to all of you? Introduce yourself in English. Is it visible? I
Yes,
presented
ma'am.
a slide. Visible? Is it? Okay, here. You can see number one, introduction and name. Okay. So here are the four ways when you, like yesterday we did introduction. At first we introduced one another. So yesterday
मैम
we did it.
मैम ये एक्सप्लेन करा रहे मैम. मैम ये जो इंट्रोडक्शन है उसको एक्सप्लेन करा रहे क्या?
I'm just telling all of you that how you have to introduce, means you all know how to introduce yourself, but there are so many ways to make the sentence. I'm just telling you, and after that, one by one, you all have to introduce yourself by using these kind of sentences.
ओके जी मैम.
Okay, like you can see introduction and name. So you want to say your name. There are four ways totally. My name is, whatever you have. I am, and after that you can tell your name. People usually call me, and this is, here you'll be in the blank, here will be your name. This is speaking. Okay, so these are the four ways to tell your name. Most of the time we only know that if you want to tell our name, we just say my name is Ashia, in this way. Okay, so there are some ways. I am Ashia, people usually call me Ashia. This is Ashia speaking. Okay, And also you can say in the boxes, you can see, let me introduce myself. I am, then your name. Sounds very polite and formal. Okay. Now, hometown and residence means the place where you live, your address. So you want to tell about your address. There are so many ways to tell your address. Whatever the sentence you like, you can take it. Like, I hail from, suppose you all are from, okay, take Burnpur. So I hail from Burnpur. Basically, I belong to Asansol. I come from Asansol. I am from Asansol. My hometown is, okay, current residence. One sided you can see roots and other sided current residence. Can you understand the difference between them? Roots and current residence. Anyone? Can you explain? What is the
ये
difference?
जी मैम।
Say.
मैम करेंट रेसिडेंट मतलब कि मैम हम लोग जहाँ पे रहते हैं, और आपका होम टाउन जो होम टाउन हुआ वो मतलब सिटी हुआ मैम। और रेसिडेंट मतलब कि हम लोग रेसिडेंट में रहते हैं, मतलब आजाद नगर बरनपुर फला एरिया में रहते हैं, वो रेसिडेंट हुआ, करंट रेसिडेंट।
Hmm.
और होम टाउन मतलब कि वेस्ट बंगाल के आसनसोल में रहते हैं, मतलब वो होम टाउन मतलब सिटी हुआ वो।
Okay. I really like your confidence. Okay, fine. Anyone else?